In this experiment, I will show that leaves prepare starch during photosynthesis. Take absolute alcohol. Add few drops of absolute alcohol to the test tube. Take a burner. Light the burner. Take any leaves and immerse it in the absolute alcohol in the test tube. Now hold the test tube to the flame. After a few minutes, you'll see that the chlorophyll pigment is removed by the alcohol. Now remove all the alcohol. Now take out the leaves. Rinse the leaves with some water. Add iodine solution to the leaves. After a few minutes, you can see that the color of the leaves has just changed to blue-black color. When we boil the leaves in absolute alcohol, the leaves become colorless as chlorophyll is removed from the leaves by the absolute alcohol. Leaves contain starch which gives blue-black color with iodine. Starch is synthesized in the green leaves by the process of photosynthesis. Thanks for watching, and also watch my previous videos also. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel.